Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or if you are new, please you are welcome. Today I'm going to tell you more about buttons and fasteners. As you know, in modern knit fashion, we can use crocheted buttons and fasteners not only for their functional features, but as a unique, full-fledged elements of decoration. With my video tutorials, you will learn how to make a wide variety of colorful, interesting and unique crocheted buttons and fasteners. All buttons and fasteners we divided in two large groups. Crocheted and combined. Knitted or crocheted buttons and fasteners are made by crochet hook or knitting needles in many different techniques. Combined, these are buttons and fasteners which were made of some manufactured elements together with crocheted or knitted elements created by hands in many techniques. I will show you how to create a great decoration using manufactured elements such as button, cords, elastic rope, different shaped beads, and many other things that can be found on the market and used to create a nice button or fastener. Combining a variety of ready-made button and some incredibly bright, colorful texture of yarn or thread allow you to create truly fabulous things that will become a cute addition for any piece of clothes. Watching my video, you can find many great ideas and inspiration for your future projects. I will make wonderful buttons or fasteners in any round or square and other shapes, in any styles. They will be bright and classic colors. Plain and volumetric, they will look like a flower or animal, etc. Together with the imagination and our video master classes, you will be able to create a little beauty and add a new interesting piece to any of your outfit. Beautiful handmade button for sure will last for long. Buttons can be the perfect finishing touch to a handmade sweater, cardigan or shirt, and they add interest to cushion covers, bags and hats. But just the right buttons aren't always easy to find. Once you have learned how, you can work them in many different yarns, create various sizes and add embellishments to really exercise your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to my video tutorials, follow me in social media and crochet with me. And I remind you, all these examples can be found in my playlist Crochet Buttons and Fasteners. Thanks for watching.